Alright then, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be doing another PicoCTF challenge, and the challenge we're going to be doing today is going to be called Pitter Patter Platters. So with this challenge is basically a forensics challenge where we have to download a disk image. So what I'll do is just copy this link, then wget it in my current list. So wget and then copy the link right here. And while we wait for it to download, we'll just look at the hints that it gives us. It tells us it may help to analyze this image in multiple ways. And then, have you heard of Slack Space? This is the certain set of tools that come with Ubuntu that I recommend for examining disk space phenomenon. So if we open it right away, we see that we download it, and then if we want to check the type of file it is, we'll type file suspicious sd.1.1, and we see a file system. And I think because I already have it. Yeah. So what do we do from here? So what we want to be able to do is check out the file system. So how will we do that? So we'll probably look up FLS to check the file system and then the name of the file. Now if we do that, we see suspicious file text. So what do we do on here? So to check the suspicious files text, all we need to do is basically use icat, and then we put the name of the file, suspicious data 1, and then we'll just type 12. And then right here we see the 12 content, so we just keep typing 16, 12 because the 12 right here to access it. Nothing to see here. You may want to look here. So now we have like more, but if you don't know, is that we could probably look at areas that don't seem I guess strange at all. So what we could do is basically check data that it's hard to I guess notice or see around that time. So what we could probably do is do strings -a -t/x, and then the name of the file, suspicious data 1, and then grep for that specific area, and see if anything else prints out. So now if we do that, we see the data type where it's located, 2400. So I guess in hexadecimal. So what we want to be able to do is basically write xxd/s/dash s at the specific memory location, and that specific memory location is basically this one right here. And then what we want to be able to do is list out what the first 200 bytes of it, and then we look up suspicious. We I guess put the file. So now if we write that, we don't see nothing at the moment. So let's see, 2 xxd -s 0x. Now we have it, and we get PicoCTF. So what do we do here? So I'll just copy this concept right here. So we'll just go on CyberChef. Just probably do reversing. Reverse. Not by character. I'll do Pico. We just do it line by line. So part like this. PicoCTF, and you see how it's building on itself. So we're gonna need to do that for every section. And then what I'll do later to format it is probably use AI, because formatting it like how it is right now is gonna be annoying. So just go all the way at the end right here, and then if something seems off, I could probably just eyeball it. 5. Yeah. And then we just go right here and then finish it off. And then we'll just use AI to remove the dots. So you probably just use Bing AI. It's my favorite one. And be like, remove the dots. So this should be it, unless there was some kind of error. And it wasn't. So yeah, that's about it for pitter patter, whatever, pitter patter platters. But yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys learned something new today. I know I did, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.